The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the fact that all plastic lenses block UVC radiation but not UVA. So what I've got here is my spare pair of glasses which has been glazed with the cheapest possible lens options because I don't really wear this. But what that means is both of these lenses are completely uncoated, so there's no anti-glare or anti-UV protection or anything like that. But polycarbonate plastics block UVC on their own. So what I've got here is I've got a UVC lamp. You can see the two quartz tube there. And over here I've got a very powerful UVA LED torch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this test card and hopefully you'll be able to see that the plastic lens blocks UVC. So if I hold it here, you can see that the UVC portion of it gets excited by the lamp, but if I put it right behind the lens, you can see that it's completely unexcited by the UVC. If I slide it out, it glows. Slide it back in, goes off. Now on the other hand, so that one's the UV is gone a bit excited, so I'm going to take a fresh cut. So with this one here, if I slide it behind, in fact, let's do it this way. If I slide it behind the lens here, you can see that it does get excited because UVA passes through the lens. Hope you can see that. So we'll come back to this one because this one's gone clear now, or almost. But you can see that even through the lens, the UV light excites it. Okay, so I'm going to show you my current pair of glasses. Right, so by contrast, this one has all the bells and whistles and it will block UVA. So to demonstrate that, unfortunately both of these cards are now excited, so they'll take a while to go clear again. Okay, I've got a fresh card again. So this one's unexcited by UVA, and I'm just going to very carefully place my other pair of glasses here. And as you can see, because it's UV chromatic, it goes dark there, but hopefully you can see my finger here, that no UV light actually penetrates the lens. So if I hold this card here, on the back side of the lens, you can see that it doesn't get excited by the UV light. But if I hold it in front, you can see that it does. That's why it's important to have UVA protection when you shop around for sunglasses or prescription lenses. Now I've just noticed something interesting. So this thin piece of plastic does not block UVC that well, but if you look here, there's a strip of adhesive and that blocks UVC. So if I turn the lamp on, so you see what I mean, the bit where the adhesive strip goes over the letter C, UVC is blocked by that.